you want to add your height to your Tinder profile, follow up with me in this video because I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Tinder app, and then from here, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner right there. Here, tap on the pen on top of your profile picture. It will take you to this screen in which you have all of the information about your profile and you can edit any of them. If you want to add your height or edit it, just tap on the Add Height tab right here. Once you tap there, a little menu will pop up from the bottom. You can add your height here in feet and inches, or you can tap on this little square in the bottom to change the metric system. Just like that, you have to type in your height and then tap on the tick right here to save the changes, and they will appear right under your profile when people are swiping you. Now, if you don't have the option, you can quit and go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Tinder, and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version. Keep it updated and the problem should be fixed. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.